steaks, potato and egg cakes, and stuffed tomatoes. These are crazy. It's like a lazy laka. It's a lazy potato cake. That's potato and egg cake, really. So what I'm doing is, if they're kind of medium size, a few ounces each, I shred up 2 per person. If they're baby potatoes, I shred up 3 per person. Now the first step is to melt butter into olive oil in the pan, a large 14-inch nonstick pan if you're gonna make individual, a 10 to 12-inch pan if you're gonna make one, flip the potatoes over, pour egg on it, and then cut it into wedges. Sort of like a potato frittata or a tortilla. We also have the oven getting nice and hot. The broiler is on for the tomatoes. And I have a large cast iron skillet getting hot for the steaks. So now we're going to take onion, granulated onion and garlic, salt and pepper, and we're gonna season up some haystacks. Again, you can make 1 large pancake or 4 individual pancakes. And we're going to let those cook over just over medium heat. And we're going to take our seasoning and liberally hit them with that. And these guys are going to cook 10 minutes or so. And then we're going to flip them and we're going to dump over some egg. Add a squirt of mustard, little Dijon, into 1 egg per cake or per person. For the tomatoes, as I said, I have the broiler preheating. We use a combination, can you get in here, babe? About 3 tablespoons of fresh thyme, a cup of packed parsley, a cup of packed basil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a couple of cloves of crushed garlic. And then we just fine chop this mixture. The tomatoes, all I did was scoop out the seeds and core them, cut the top off. That's it, easy. And then we're gonna take good olive oil, the green stuff, and we're gonna drizzle them with oil. And then you're going to pack the herbs and garlic into each tomato and broil them. So once you flip the potato haystacks over, whether you're making a giant one or individuals, that's when you pour over the Dijon eggs and then work out the math of flipping it on the other side. Meanwhile, the skillet is screaming hot, so we're gonna add a little spray, non-aerosol spray, to our skillet. And our room temperature steaks seasoned with salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. And these are thin cut sirloins. 6 to 8 ounces is what you want. And we're going to pop in the broiler all of our tomatoes, Gorgioso. And now we'll start finessing. So with these guys, we start to finesse the egg in and around and over the potato. It's like steak and eggs and hash browns all at the same time. Now once you flip them after the egg drop, then you turn them super low just to keep them warm. And we just babysit steak. After the steaks are done, we let them cool a bit on the platter that we're gonna serve them on, and everybody's done at the same time. So we're gonna take a giant potato and egg cake, take a beautifully browned steak that have been resting. This pan is off, but cast iron skillets hold their heat, you know? Put a little drizzle of steak sauce of choice on top. And on the hash brown and egg cake, I lay a little squirt of ketchup in the middle. Beautiful broiled tomato. A little extra drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And she's done.